Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And welcome to day 19 of Junk Journal January for 2026. So let's grab our junk journals and dive into our next creative session. Today's prompt is time. For today I decided to just get out a bunch of my vintage inspired ephemera and washi tapes and pieces and just create a little collage on here, this old book page in my journal and the coffee dyed paper on the other side. I thought fit the vibes perfectly, so we're just doing a bit of a vintage inspired collage style spread for the prompt of time, and I thought the vintage book pages would just create the perfect base for that. And this one was obviously a really easy spread to create and something that was quite fast. I did add this little cute tag I have included in the free printable for this challenge. If you still want to get that for your spread as well, the link to the Promptlist and the ephemeras is in the description down below, so you can get that for free if you want to. I just included that and made it collagey, and then decided to also add a clock illustration, very simple but with just some decorative clock arms in a way. I made them a little bit looking like they were vintage too in a way, and I feel like I really love how this one turned out. Now I just decided to add a little quote. As you might know if you follow me for a while, I don't really journal that much in these kind of journals. It's more of a art focused journal for me, and I just love to include some quotes from time to time. And at the moment I'm rewatching some Lord of the Rings while being creative, and then I just thought for time it would be perfect to quote Gandalf when he says that you can't decide what kind of time you have, you can only decide what to do with the time that is given to you, in a way. And I feel like that's so accurate for everything that is going on in the world at the moment. I hope you enjoyed this creative session as well. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, hit the subscribe button down below. Thanks so much for watching. See you very soon. Until then, happy creating.